Keep it together.
Okay.
No, no, no. No, look at me, please.
That's a lot of pieces.
No.
And
No.
belongs to
No. Hey, hey, come here. No, come here. You are not
Daddy,
So,
can
remind
you
you.
get the head for me?
Try
Can you get the head?
when Daddy's downstairs. Rest. And Liz and Uncle Will are in. Okay? That's it.
And she gave it to him. She's like, okay, sure. Come here. Like,
Gina's ready.
Sandy Clam Award. He was all bad, I guess.
It's gonna be super silly.
Thank you, no.
Let me see. I want to make sure his smile's not upside down. Let me see. His smile better be right.
I mentioned her. Yeah, one time. Well, she made it.
No, he's not supposed to stick his tongue out at you. Jackson, put a smile on him. Hey.
No, I can do it, Jackson. But I need to put the mouth on now. I gotta put the mouth on. So I put. Ah! I'll go get that.
Go get it.
No, but don't touch this, okay? Because I need. Don't touch these parts. Just put the bang bang.
I'll get it.
Never mind. Never mind, I got it. So we put it.
Let me see if the smile's correct.
Like this. Like this.
That's okay.
And then like.
Let me see. Yes! You did it! You did it!
He's gonna be a teacher.
You did it. Is he going to be a teacher?
Yeah. A teacher? Yeah. To make potatoes.
Let's see. You did it!
I need help. Do you
Need
put
help?
the glasses on?
That's kind of hard. Just kind of lays on his eyes, sort of.
Lazy.
That's good.
Lazy.
He doesn't really need glasses. Yeah. What? What?
I made him a teacher with glasses.
All right.
Ah!
That's good. That's good. Yes, he looks like a teacher, doesn't he?
Wait, can I?
Yes.
Yeah.
Get off.
He's super silly.
He is silly.
Can take all his eyes off. But you wanna make them a little bit silly? Well, I'm gonna make them now.
Got to keep all the pieces on the table, okay?
Archie.
Don't lose them.
No, we don't. No, we don't place them.
What?
Well,
Don't break them. Be careful.
it's magic. This is going to be dark. Graham, Skip, this is going to be a dark cave.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go and put these square.
You don't know a lot of
perfect. And I see the windows back here too.
Hey.
Wow, good job.
And this window.
Yeah. Wow, windows all around. Great house, Jackson.
Get the scissors on it.
I like the attic too. You did a good job too. Wow. You have a nice little attic.
Hey!
Good job.
Now I'm going to take it apart.
Okay.
Wait. Oh no! There's this train coming. And move the house over here. Now move these stuff. And make the train. Make the train. I did it! Bring. These are my.
What are you making, Jackson?
Jello!
What color Jello?
Jello! Pink! Pink.
Pink Jello. Jackson's been asking to make Jello, so. Can I have the lid, Nova?
I said I need some help.
Okay, so I'll help you. So first we have to boil the
Yes,
water.
I can go open this. I'll put red in. Let's
Let me
get
see that you only took 2. No, these are Jackson's vitamins. I'm sorry, Nova. Mom forgot to take her vitamins today.
Yeah.
Alright. So, we have to boil the water.
I'll come over there.
No, here.
I'll help you.
Jackson, you put your hand on, let go now. Put your other hand here. Jackson. The other hand.
Yeah.
You both pour the Jello in. That's that way you guys can eat it tonight.
Hey, Mom, wait there.
That's enough.
Let's go. Burn. Oh. It tastes.
Yeah, well, now the Jello will take until probably later tonight, so you can have the Jello tomorrow as a snack, okay?
No.
Jello takes a long.
What is our table? Here's the table. What is a chair?
We're all out of chairs. Use the better chair.
The bottom of the
Alright, Jim's on the bed. That's comfy.
I understand that's the
Say the seat of it. Can you sit down?
This is the cat.
That looks pretty.
Wow, that looks good, Jackson.
Sugar
It worked, you made it.
Starburst Jello. Wow. Okay, just sit and eat it.
All right.
Number Jello.
Yes.
Just sit down first.
The Jello is ready.
Mommy's gonna try a bite.
Is it good?
Guys, don't you have some eggs for me? Right here.
Okay.
Yes, some eggs for me.
What's your Jello?
Red.
Pink. Yum.
Huh?
You've been asking to make Jello for a long time.
We can eat Jello every day because we now have Jello.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, they are nice.
Can I check the tag and see if you got them right?
Good job.
No, hold on, let's fix it. Because you don't need Wow, those are super nice jammies.
Nice, Jackson. Good night.
Hey, say goodnight to Coco. Hug Grand's good
Get
goodbye.
it.
Good night.
Say thanks
I'll
for
see you
coming
tomorrow.
over. Say I'll see you tomorrow.